SharePoint lists are amazing. You can group your data, filter your data, create multiple views, and lots more. But sometimes we have so much information in a list that it's hard to visualize what the data really means. Here's a tip for how to use a new feature that allows you to visualize your list in Power BI in just a few short clicks. Let's take a look. At the top of your list, click the Integrate dropdown from the command bar. Then choose Power BI and then visualize this list. Note, you may have to log into Power BI, but that's okay. In a few short seconds, you'll be taken to the Power BI Online environment and a report is created for you. The environment allows you to modify any of the visualizations that you want, or you can simply accept the report that's there. In my report, you can see that some meaningful charts are created, so even if you're not familiar with Power BI, you still likely have a good report that you can use. However, if you would like to modify the report, just click Edit at the top and make as many changes as you like. When finished, just click Publish to List. When you return to the Integrate menu at the top of your list and then click Power BI, your report will be waiting there for you. Give it a try and let us know what you think.